In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create affiliate marketing links on products in Shopify, the simple way. As more businesses are looking to expand their reach, affiliate marketing has become an essential tool. This process might seem complicated at first, but I'm here to walk you through it step by step, ensuring that you can set this up with ease. Let's start from your Shopify homepage. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Apps section. It's typically located in the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Apps in Shopify allow you to expand the functionality of your store and streamline various processes, including affiliate marketing. Once you're in the Apps section, you're going to want to search for a specific app called GoAff Pro. This app is a fantastic tool for affiliate marketing, providing you with the ability to create custom affiliate links, manage your partners, and track your performance all in one place. So, after you search for GoAff Pro, go ahead and click on it in the search results. This will take you to the app's install page where you can see more details about it. Here, you'll want to click that install button. Shopify may prompt you to authorize the installation. This is perfectly normal as you're essentially linking a third-party app to your store. So, click to confirm the installation. You might notice that it asks you to install it once more for confirmation. This double check ensures that you want to proceed, and it's a safety feature to protect your store's data. Just hit install again. Once installed, you'll see an option to Get Started. Click on this to begin setting up the app for your store. Once you're set up, you'll be able to explore the GoAff Pro dashboard. I recommend taking a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout and the various tools available. This will make your affiliate management tasks more intuitive and efficient as you grow your program. You can start by setting up your affiliate commission rates, customizing your affiliate sign-up page, and using the various promotional tools to help maximize your store's marketing reach. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is not just about setting up these links, but also about creating relationships with your affiliates and providing them with the right incentives and support. By ensuring everything is set up correctly in GoAff Pro, you empower both your affiliates and your business to thrive. This straightforward process will help you expand your sales and marketing efforts significantly. I hope this video has demystified affiliate marketing links for you. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this.